average?
Idea that if you cross the people that are causing the problem, is that the communist.
Wow, this is just on
American
64, and
Republican form of government.
that's bad.
How we're going to
And that wasn't even a quarter mile.